Hello guys, another inspirational quotes na naman tayo from the Bible. We can read it from Proverbs chapter 19 verse 21, and it says here, "Many plans are in a man's mind, but it is the Lord's purpose for him that will stand, be carried out." So, sa buhay natin, no, individually, we can plan. Maraming plano, pwede tayo magplano, but then, the Lord's will pa rin yung magpe-prevail kasi only the Lord has the power and the will to manifest those plans that we have. So, kailangan isanggunin natin yan kay Lord, guys. So, simpleng paalaala lang yan sa atin na kahit anong plano natin, we have the sovereign God. Hihinga natin ng gabay at kung ano yung kalooban niya. So, ayun guys. God bless.